Hello, welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code to clone a project from GitHub. You can clone your own project or any project you can find on GitHub. I'm going to show you both ways. We start on the website from GitHub and log in. Sign in, username, password, and we are in. I go to the repositories. As you can see, we have the repository from the previous video, Hello World. Now we're going to create a new one. New, the name, we call it Hello World. Clone. Description. Clone. You can do it public or private. For now, public. Add a README file. Yes. And ignore. You can leave it like that. And create a repository. It only take a minute, and we have our Hello World clone repository. We can add a file, create a new file, the name Hello World, with the text from GitHub. A capital. Commit changes. Create Hello World. Okay. Description. You can do it like that, or leave it's up to you. Directly to the main branch. It's okay for testing. Create a new branch. We don't do. We do it directly to the main branch. Commit changes. Yes, and we have our text file. See it here. Hello World from the previous video. Hello World clone we created today. Open it. Here you see code. You can open that, and we have here a URL from my project. I copy it to the clipboard. Click on it. Okay. Now we can go to Visual Studio Code. We open it. We do a remote connection, current window to host, to our Fedora server, opening remote, you see it here, and we are connected. First, we need to create a directory where we want to put the new GitHub project. Therefore, I go to my command line, SSH my Fedora server. I do ls. You see the directories from previous videos. Today we work in programming. ls. You see Git projects from previous video, Java, Node.js, Python, also from other videos. You go inside Git project. Yes, ls. You see the project from the last video. Now we create a project for this video. So mkdir hello world clone. Yes, ls home, and you see we have a new directory. Here we're going to put the clone from GitHub. I open Visual Studio Code, do a remote connection, current window to host, Fedora server, opening remote, and we are inside. Now we can go to the left here, source control, clone repository. We click on it. First, we have to provide the URL. I paste it. See the URL from the clone from GitHub. Enter. Now we have to do the directory. We are the home, programming, hit projects, hello world clone. Select as repository destination. Okay. Would you like to open the clone repository? Yes, open. Take a moment. And voila, we have it here. And open that, and you see hello world from GitHub. Now we can put a new line. Hello world from VS Code. Yes. We save it. Control S. Save. Okay. You see, we have one thing to do. Update hello world. Commit. Update hello world. And thing changes. Voilà. Everything is okay. You see, in the meantime, we have here main. We are at the main branch. Now we can go to GitHub. Go to the repositories. Hello world clone. Hello world. I think we better refresh it. Hello world. And you see we have the text hello world from GitHub and hello world from VS Code. You can change the file. Here, a new line. Hello world from GitHub. Okay. Commit changes. Again, update hello world. All the rest, it's okay. Commit changes. And okay. Now we can go back to Visual Studio Code and pull everything inside. Et voila. We have everything we want. Hello world from GitHub. 3 lines. I cleared the screen. Do ls all. See, we have 2 directories. Go inside the hello world clone. ls all again. We have a new directory, hello world clone. Inside it. Okay, ls all again. Here we have one directory, get, the text file, hello world, and the readme. Now we can do cat hello world. Enter, and you see we have the 3 lines. Hello world from GitHub, the first one. Then we updated it in Visual Studio Code, and then a third update, of the second update on GitHub. In the second part, we're going to do the same, but with a GitHub project from somebody else. For the second part, we prepare a new directory. I clear the screen. Go up. Or in Git project, we do ls. And we create a new directory. mkdir. Hello world clone 01. Another name. Okay. That's again, and you see we have the directory. I want to go inside. One, ls, and of course the directory is empty. I want to do all. You can see we have no hidden directories. Now we can go to our GitHub account and search for a project. For this project, I created a project on another GitHub account. Go to my repositories. You see, I have two. I copy the link from my other repository and I paste it here on the top. You see, now I have 02. My account is 03. Enter. See, I have here another project, Hello World Test. To work with this project, we have to fork this project to the other project we want to change. So I do fork. Fork your own copy of Keyser 02 Hello World Test. So we copy this project to my other account. So fork, create new fork, name, the name is available, description, it's okay. Copy the main branch only. Can do it out or in. For now, it's no matter because we have only the main branch. Create fork. Okay. Forking only took a few seconds. Et voilà, we are okay. I go now to my repositories and you see we have 3 projects. Hello World from previous video. Hello World clone from the first part. And the Hello World test from the other account. You see, forked from another account. We open it. And again, we do the copy from the URL. See here, copy. Okay. Now we go back to Visual Studio Code and close the folder. Okay. Remove is okay. We go back to Explorer and clone repository. Okay. We copy the URL here, enter, and now the directory. We are in the home, programming, get projects, Hello World clone 01. Okay. Select as repository destination. Okay. Yes, I want to open it. Open. Et voilà, it's opened. Now, you can change the text. You see Hello World from another GitHub account. Enter. Hello World from VS Code. Okay. Control S. You see it here we have one unchanged. Control S to change it. You see we have now here one uncommitted. Update. Commit. Update. Sync changes. Synchronized. Everything is okay. We go back to GitHub. Refresh. And you see we have update already. Open it. Et voilà. Hello World from VS Code. Now, if we again go to the first original GitHub. I copy the link again, paste it here. Okay. Here the text is not changed. So we only change the project on our own GitHub account, not the other account from the original programming. We go again to our command line, do ls all, and you see we have a project now. Hello World Test. It's the name from the original project on GitHub. We go inside it. ls all, and you see we have the hit directory, the text file, and the readme file. You can open the text file. And as you can see, here we have the adapted text with Hello World from VS Code. Only the original GitHub project is not changed. Only the fourth one on your own account. This was it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.